Washing pa si Mr. V. Nakaabang na kami. Yan, with my shoes. Siyempre, naka-80s kami. Para yung bata doon, naka-AirPods. You like our music naman, di ba?
Yeah.
Oh. I hear you listen to them. Oh yeah, pero you sing to it, di ba? Marami.
I mean, if I like it, I'll add it to the playlist.
Advantage ng 3 or more carpool, daanan mo lahat ng yan na traffic. Imagine kung hindi ka sa carpool, nakatigil ka dyan. No? May nalalaman pang aesthetic.
And they missed the spot.
They'll do that pa lang. Oh, yan, no? May aesthetic effect pa. Zoom that. Kaya natatagalan ng paggawa nyo. Dahil nyo pang arte eh.
Oh, in between. Too much.
Yan o, nadaanan lahat ng traffic na yun.
My plan is to go state to state. Like, yeah, maybe they're saying they don't like Biden, but
Tesla, all the same colors. Ano naman magkasunod, dalawang box.
European
but how
Tesla.
is it really like
BMW naman magkasunod.
Kaya maraming klase.
Winning din ang huli. Yellow cab. O kasi naman, kuwan na lahat, lift.
Iiwan ko lang si Nico sa bahay Ba't nandito si Nico?
Napinturahan pa.
Siyempre walang polis.
Oh, see, this the Dodge I was talking about.
Winning rin ang huli.
Everywhere ang polis dito.
Where did we go last time?
Pero managerial dito.
Oo.
Managerial.
Managerial mo rin
That was Philippines back then.
May hindi nakatiis. Nag-CR na dun. Bilis maglakad ni Mr. V eh. Grabe. Iiwan to eh. Sanay na sanay lang kasi araw-araw ito nilalakad niya.
Yeah, it's nice right here. I haven't been here so long.
Saan yung crew mo?
Yung van.
Oh.
Mexico inbound.
Tapos off mo ngayon, nandito ka pa rin.
Oo.
Ay, susi, nice pa yun. Nag-ayos. Dito daw eh.
Diyan sa loob? Anong tawag mo?
Sabi niya medical.
Ito yung medical.
Smart.
This is the last one I got. I mean, I got this last time. So.
Okay, hindi ka na naman kakain. There, let's eat some breakfast. Wendy's burger while waiting for our appointment. Funny naman, Dondi. Sabi niya, I saw a cute security girl. Ang tanong mo, Pops, do you know her?
Para naman akong nangahunting. I don't know everybody.
Pops will say, cute ba ka mo? I might know her.
I might.
Kasi cute. Medicine time. Aga natin, no? So, nagbiyahe tayo ng 7:30. Lumating na tayo dito ng 8. Kasi carpool. So, we're already here for the appointment ng 10 o'clock. Good job, Mr. V. Better early waiting than...
Siyempre than late.
We're doing the workshop here. What's up?
The application ng manager. Application ng manager.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, but. Yeah. It's like what? Like what? Hours? Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, okay na ba?
Yeah, and then titignan natin by next week.
Congratulations in advance.
Thank you.
Claim it.
Yeah. Kaysa naman daw iba sa isa mapunta sa iba.
Train up there. And he thought it was a bouncing airplane.
A landing airplane that bounces.
Ikaw ba ay operator? Kasi nandyan ka sa may telepono.
Oh, yeah.
Smooth operator. Smooth operator.
I'm gonna call his main office.
Tapos na tayo sa interview. Thank you, Mr. Lee. Super supportive husband. Loving. Mandeng. Hindi dun sa kabila.
Maybe you can just call that out.
Sa next na punta natin dito na magkasama uli. Sana naman na biyahe. Travel. Video. Thank you, Pops. Thank you so much. Rest day mo,
Video?
nandito ka. Thank you.
Gijo?
I know, right?
Oh.
Saturday, but it's filled. So hindi na tayo nabigyan ng kwan.
Was it the one that was
Very
like?
nice, healthy. Snake plants.
He told me he's like just be like that, just answer it real, and you're gonna be good. I'm like, oh. I was like, just like that. Vibe from him.
Kaya nga,
Like,
mabait, di ba?
Very good vibe. Yeah.
Rest day mo, dito ka pa rin.
I know.
Talagang you love the airport so much, ah. Yan ang mga aeroplano ni Mr. V.
That's it. That's really it. And don't give your address.
Di ba sabi mo noon, nung nag-citizen ka rin, you memorized all 100 questions.
100 questions.
Ang sabi ni Dondi,
Yeah.
anong sasabi mo, Dondi?
I'm gonna memorize it too.
Sabi niya, I'll memorize all 100. Usual, ang galit sa sapatos.
Oh, you don't like shoes?
No.
No, I like shoes naman. Pero every time I
He's
go,
more comfortable.
It's not comfortable.
Beautiful trees dito sa SFO.
who made the, hindi alam yung gagawin sa team.
Vallejo, this is, I know the whole Vallejo kind of. Like, the highways connect to each other. Huh?
That's prison.
That's prison. They can see us?
I don't know. Yeah.
Maybe random, but the more or less non-violent.
What flag is this? Homeward
Pero
bound.
sa kanya,
Marquines. So people in Vallejo cleaning up. Nice one. Yan, here naman they're fixing this. Very good, Vallejo. Good job. Ayan, so magandang biyahe natin from SFO.
Yeah.
It took less than an hour. No traffic, so we deserve our favorite fun, number one. Si Dondi ayaw kumain. So we dropped him off na. Anong type mo, Mr. V?
41.
Eh, ganun din type ko eh.
Third
Thank you.
So when I got the order of 41 and order of 76, and I will go check with no boba and just water with lemon.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
So we're here, wala masyadong tao, pero it's lunch ha. Thank you. Boba. Ay, boba, may shake. 41's his. This is 41. And mine 76. Thank you. That was quick. Thank you so much. That's my beef steak in cubes. Yung pork grill. That's what I'm going to get sana, pero pareho na. We can just share naman now. Sabaw na Mr. B. Anong kaguluhan at lahat nakatingin doon? Nanonood pala ng soccer. Sarap. Mas masarap kaysa doon sa pinuntahan natin, di ba? Na kay my friend mo.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it here more than there.
No problem. Thank you.
Time to kain again. Oh, yan. Wow. Sige, higop. Sarap? Mine's good, except that meron mga rare or medium rare para kay Mr. Bian. Where are you? Cleared out. What did you destroy again this time? Ganyan sila, oh. If we're not around, they pulutan on the couch. Yan, ang ginagawa nila pag wala kami. Balik mo na lang para may kutkutin naman sila. What's that, huh? Maya, see? They're guilty. Maya, that's you, right? We told you we're coming back. Kayo talaga. Ha? Ayun, magtatago kayo. What's that? What? Basta winap na sila ganyan. What? What's that?
What's this?
Alam nila eh. May kasalanan sila.
Huh?
That's how it is when they don't see us for quite some time. Kaya, kamusta naman ang bakasyon?